Hello, and welcome to the Quiz Game Project. This is an interactive Python application. I designed it to provide the players with an engaging quiz experience, even though there's no GUI implementation. The game actually has several elements that helps to make up for that. So, for example, that would be like a animation effect for the text. Instead of just printing it out, it's actually printed in a way that you'll see in a bit. Yeah. So the project aims to combine both the elements of entertainment and education by offering a variety of general knowledge questions, right? So without further ado, let's start. Okay, so now when we run, this is what I mean, the quiz game. Yeah. So before we start, let's try to view the high scores for now. Let's see if we can make it to the leaderboard. Yeah. So we have the top 10 here. With the names, the scores, and the date there. If we want to go back to the main menu, we just press any button. And now, if we want to learn about the game itself, we go and press 3. Yeah. So here we have the instructions. We know that the game has 15 questions and they have 3 different difficulty levels. Okay, so we play by, of course, clicking on play on the main menu or choosing play actually. We have 2 types of questions. We have MCQs, we have true and false. Right. So the game only ends when we finish answering all the questions or we answer incorrectly. Right. So let's see if we can make it to the leaderboard. Press any key to return to the main menu. Right. So it's as simple as that. Let's try to enter anything that is invalid. So now we make sure to pick a number from 1 to 4. What if I'm being persistent? No, nothing will happen. It'll keep prompting me until I actually make the right choice. Yep. So now I want to play the game. Okay. So let's choose multiple choice questions or true or false. I personally prefer true or false questions. I feel like since it's a 50-50, I have a higher chance to scoring right. But let's see if I just want to go back to the main menu. Yeah, I can just do that and then go again, play the game. So now I'm going to choose true or false. Do you want to check if we get an invalid input? Let's see what happens. Okay. So we can't, even if it's empty. Yeah, we have to choose one of these 3. Yeah. So we're going to go for true or false. Get ready. The quiz is about to start. Let's go. So we're going to start off with the easy questions. Okay. Nice. I like this. So there are a total of 20 races in Formula One. My sister is a big fan of Formula One, so I asked her about this while I was testing, and the answer is actually false. So once we lock in our answer, we get the current score, and it's correct. Okay, don't worry about this. The 039, I noticed it around. It's representing a symbol. So because I'm removing the symbol, I'm cleaning the questions. So now it's represented by this. So I've added this to the future improvements. I'm going to find a way to handle this thing, but it's not that difficult to read, right? Okay. Honestly, I'm not sure. I'm gonna try my luck here and go for true. Right, okay, that's awesome. Uh-huh. Honestly, I'm not sure. I'm just gonna go for false. So it's incorrect. I get the correct answer. This is my final score. Let's enter my name. So my name is Neda. Let's just say you want to stare at the disappointing result for a while. Yeah, we won't go back to the main menu until you choose to do so. So now we go back. If I view the high scores, of course, my name is not there. I have to make it. I have to have at least 4 points or even more. Yeah. So let's try again. Let's go for multiple choice and see what happens there. Okay. Right, again, we're starting with the easy questions, so let's see if I can get them right. Oh, so see, this is an apostrophe here. Yep. Huh. I'll say I forgot. Let's go with one. Yeah, okay. Oh, why is it testing me on these things? I really forgot. Who discovered the law of gravity? I think three. Yes. Okay. Which modern day country? Oh, I don't know. Let's see if what if I do an invalid answer? Okay. Mm. So we can only choose. Okay, I got it right somehow. Uh-huh. Oh my God. How would I know that? Ah, okay. So now we know which one is the correct answer. Sadly, I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it to the leaderboard. Yeah, it's all right though. It was a fun game. So now I think I'll leave it at that. But do you think you can make it to the leaderboard? Make sure to try this code out. Right. So yeah, thank you for playing and thank you for tuning in to this video. I hope you enjoyed it and please make sure to try out the code and see if you can break it and let me know if you did. I'll take it as a challenge. Goodbye.